We are a research team made up of scientists from the Biomedical Research and Training Institute and the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, working in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Childcare. We are conducting a study called PROMISE in Harare to find out if testing for sexually transmitted infections in pregnant women, or STIs for short, in antenatal clinics could improve the health of mothers and babies. We would like you to take part in this study because you are less than 24 weeks pregnant and attending an antenatal clinic where we are conducting the trial. One group of pregnant women will be offered testing for STIs even if they do not have symptoms. And if they test positive, they will be treated. The other group will not be tested, but if they have symptoms, they will be treated. We will then check if the children born to mothers who get testing are healthier. Which group you end up in is by chance. This video will give you information about the study to help you decide if you want to take part. Feel free to pause this video at any time, rewind, or ask the study team any questions you may have. If you agree to participate, we will ask you today for your phone number and address so we can visit you at home if needed. We will do an ultrasound scan to find out how many weeks pregnant you are. We will then ask questions about your health, including whether you have any illnesses, your smoking habits, whether you drink alcohol, if you have had STIs before, if you have children, and if so, how many. We do understand that some questions are private and may make you feel embarrassed. You do not have to provide an answer if you feel uncomfortable. Your information is, however, important to us and will help other mothers and babies, so we would be very grateful if you would give us truthful answers. We will also collect relevant information about your pregnancy and about your baby from your and your baby's clinical records. Next, we will collect vaginal swabs from all participants. This part is required if you decide to participate in the study. A trained study nurse will be taking your vaginal swabs. If you are uncomfortable with this, you may collect these swabs yourself, and we will show you how, though our study nurses are trained to be as gentle and quick as possible. You may have minimal discomfort, but there is no harm to you or your baby by taking swabs. We will also collect extra swabs, which we will store at the laboratory for future studies. You can still take part in the study and refuse to give extra swabs. The swabs will not be used for money-making purposes. This sample will be tested for chlamydia, gonorrhea, and trichomoniasis in the lab, and results will be available in the week. If you are in the testing group, a team member will call you if a test is positive for any of the STIs and ask you to come back, and we will give you treatment free of charge. If your result is negative for any of the STIs, we will not call you, but you can call us if you would like to know your results. If you are in the other group, we will give you your results after delivery and will treat you if the STI test taken during pregnancy was positive. If you have symptoms at any study visit during pregnancy, we will treat you free of charge without a test. We will also test everyone for HIV and syphilis. If you test positive for HIV, you will be referred for care. Part of the treatment for an STI includes an opportunity for your partner to be treated. We will also provide a referral for treatment for your partner or partners. If you do not wish to contact your partner or partners on your own, the study team can help you. We will repeat these procedures, including the ultrasound scan, during your third trimester. We will send you a reminder to come back for repeat collection of samples. You will also be given a study card which has our phone number in case you need to talk to us, and a calendar to remind yourself of future study visits. We want to check you and your baby's health immediately after you give birth. To do this, it is important for us to see you within 3 days of the birth. We would like you to let us know when you are about to give birth using the phone number on your study card. We will check in on you again 1 week and 6 weeks after the birth. We will collect information about your baby's health at all these time points. We will also be collecting swabs of your baby's eye to check on the health of their eye. We will keep all information that you provide us private and secure in locked cupboards or password-protected computers, which will only be accessible to approved study staff. To ensure confidentiality, the information and swabs you give us will not be kept under your name. Instead, we will give you a unique study number so it is not possible to identify you from the information you provide. If you agree, your information and swabs may be used for future research and shared with other scientists. Importantly, you do not need to take part if you do not want to. You can also call us afterwards if you change your mind about participating or about storing your extra swab. Your relations with us will not be affected if you decide not to take part. We will not pay you to participate in the study or to have your swabs. If you would like to participate, we will ask you to sign a form on a tablet indicating that you understand and agree to take part in the study. We will also ask you to indicate your permission to store your samples. You will also sign a consent form on paper for you to keep. The paper form will have a link to our website where you can watch the video again, as well as the contact information of our team if you have questions or change your mind about participating. You will need data if you wish to watch the video again. The form also has the contact of the Medical Research Council of Zimbabwe in case you want to speak to them about any problems or complaints you may have about the study. Before you decide to sign a form to consent, please feel free to ask us any questions you may have. We cannot guarantee that you or your baby will get any benefit from taking part in this research, but it may help us improve the health of mothers and babies in the future. Thank you for watching this video.